What I like about NextGen is that we get to do all these amazing things that I never thought I'll get to see or do.
So far with NextGen, I've been able to shadow the consumer health team, the environmental quality team, solid waste, and even the environmental communications team. And I've been able to learn about all of the hard work that goes into making Fort Worth beautiful. The environmental quality team oversees the water, land, and air quality of the city of Fort Worth, and they ensure litter control, and they also control the Keep Fort Worth Beautiful program.
Being able to shadow all of the environmental quality, they do a lot of cool stuff and they're really involved and they meet a lot of people. And in environmental quality, they have desk work and they're out in the field. They're not always at the desk.
Consumer Health oversees restaurant inspections, pool inspections, daycare inspections.
So what we work on solid waste division is that we create sustainable efforts of removing and recycling the waste.
I've worked at the ECC before, so I deal with a lot of chemicals, and also I deal with customer service.
The NextGen program really put thought into our experience and making sure we get the best experience out of whichever department we're in.
And it's just been so amazing being able to go out there and actually see what they do on a day-to-day basis instead of just seeing it from an outside position who's interested in environmental science.
It allows people to get a feel for what they want to do in life, but also give opportunities to people who actually want to go into the field that they want to do.
This experience has been so amazing and so much fun, being able to connect with my peers, but also being able to connect with my interest and my potential career in Fort Worth. It's just been so much fun, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who is interested.